everyone. Thank you for joining me today. This is just a quick review and unboxing of a Scotch double-sided tape applicator. I did already remove it from the box, as you can see here. It came in this neat little box. Of course, you could have seen it. It was sitting nicely in there. It just basically said double-sided tape applicator, and it did have like a little bit of instructions here on the side, and on this side shows you how to run it or what have you. Now I got this because when I bought this set I had 6 of those double-sided tape and this applicator, but I found it was just much to keep like pulling the tape. Then I'm doing a few cards, then I have to make sure I put it down properly, so that was kind of time consuming, hence the reason why I got this. And I did a review some time ago on adhesives for card making, and I did mention that I have those rolls here, but I don't know what to do. And someone responded and told me about the applicator that Scotch has. So I was able to get this one, and so let me try it. So it does come with a little roll in there already. It's very lightweight, not much heaviness to it. So it has a nice feel. It's kind of, I don't know, I don't know how it really feels. Really, but I'm trying to figure out, but it is lightweight. It is, I guess, decent. Let's see how it runs. So I think you put it on here like this. You're supposed to keep it flat. I'm trying to see if there's something I did or I'm doing. Did I do something, or do I have to open this? Oh, I do have to open it. So you open it like this, and here's the tape inside. Let me see. I think you pull this. Oh. Let me lift this out. I would imagine you do this, and let me see. It has some instructions here. Before, okay, unwind this protective wrap. You see it says it on here. Oh, okay. So I guess you unwind the protective wrap, and then I guess you put it in here. I'm trying to figure out how you work this. I would imagine you would, I'm not sure if I know how to do this. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure how to put this in. Do I like put it between here? No, I'm not sure. Unless I put it, no. I'm not sure. Let me see if there's any directions on this side that I can use. You see there's a small diagram there, but it's so small. I have my glasses on and I'm not even sure if I can see it. I think you just put it through here. From what it's showing, it's like you just run it through here. It's kind of hard though. Oopsie. I guess that busted. Let me see. Yeah, this is kind of a little cumbersome right now, to be honest. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to assume that's what it is. So let's go ahead and close this back. Because if the diagram is correct, that's what I should have done. Okay. All right, so let me cut this off, this end off. Let me see. Whoops. Now I have everything sticking all over the place. Okay, so let me see. And then, oh, okay, I got it. Okay, so it's in there. So when you run it, this thing here, you press it so it cuts the tape. So I'm going to run it again. And then I'm going to press this yellow thing. And yeah, okay, makes sense. Excuse me. So this is it. Oh, I almost choked myself. This is it here. So I guess it's simple enough. Yeah, and that's it. So let's try this again. Keep it flat, run it, press that yellow thing, it cuts the tape. Oh, that's nice. Okay, well, I guess that's it, guys. I guess I made it a little more complicated than anything else, but yeah, I guess it's very manageable, and we shall see. I will do a follow-up after I've used it for a few times with my cards and see, you know, if I still feel the same way about it. So thank you so much for watching. And if you do like this unboxing video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or you would like to ask any questions about that, feel free to send me a message. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I look forward to seeing you on Sunday. Bye-bye.